Hi there. Now, I'm going to teach you how to use a AI to change your voice and to help you sing a better one. Okay? So, first things first, I want you to gather, or I'm going to kindly ask you to gather a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil to write down the steps, one step at a time, because they need to be followed accordingly, especially the email part of this process. Please don't skip any step and please follow as I do it. Okay? So first things first again is that you can use any browser you want. I'm using Microsoft Edge right now. Personally, this is my favorite. I'd rather use it than Chrome anyway. But if you want Google Chrome, that's not a problem. You can still use it. You can even still use Mozilla Firefox if it's still there. I'm not sure though if it's still there. Anyway, this is the website. Please look on it. This is www.myvocal.ai. Let me just search it up again so you can see it. How do I search it up? So it's gonna be myvocal.ai. Just search that up right now. Should be your landing page, okay? So before we get into this, please use or gather or secure, I mean, a active and a valid email address. It can be a Google, a Gmail, or Yahoo, just an email address. And why am I asking you for an email address? Because you need that email address to sign in onto this MyVocal.AI to create an account. So let's try signing in. So I'm just gonna use my Google account here because I already created an account. And if you're a first timer here, just create an account. They will send you a verification code. That's why it's really important that that email is really active and it's validated. Okay. So once you create your account, this is your landing page, and as you can see, there are three options here. It says voice cloning, create music, and text to speech. And please take note on this queue. There is 847,892 people in queue, if I'm not mistaken, for voice cloning. And create music is technically just creating your own music, typing it out, composing it. Text to speech is actually my favorite. Anyway, before we can get into this one, there should be one part here that you need to process first. I think it's gonna be record voice. Okay then. Right now I already recorded my voice and expected number of voice template function, this one, and my text to speech function is ready. So to give you a background right here on what should be here, there are templates here around 25 that you need to record your voice and then upload here so the AI could like save it and then use it. Anyway, since I already used mine, I already uploaded my 25 template voice, so my text to speech is already ready. But however, my voice template is still on queue. So let me just search up record voice section on my voice AI, so you can have a brief knowledge on what to expect on that part right here. I think it's gonna be my vocal. I'm very sorry about that. Give me a second here. So it is. I cannot really check it right here. The templates. There are only 25 templates here. Let me see. Let's try one more. Record voice template my vocal AI, because I really want to show you guys on what to expect there. Well, I really can't find it. I can only find the three options right here, the closest one. And technically, yeah, it's not here. Anyway, just click this one. It's record voice, and then there's 25 templates here. You just read it. They're just random sentences. Record your voice, submit it. They're a total of 25. Once you submit it, they're gonna process it. And then, as you can see here, my voice template function is still a queue. However, my text to speech function is already done. So let's try text to speech, okay? Let's try this one right here. I'm very sorry. So text to speech. So as you can see here, I have an example here. I have eaten a hamburger twice today. This is the one I made a few days ago. Let's just create a new one here. Let me think of a good one. For example, I am Iron Man or Batman. You can type anything you want here, but I am also Siri. How about that? Okay, so you click submit here, and then once you click on submit, it's just gonna load your voice here, and it's gonna be here. As you can see, there is 500 letters used today. I think this refreshes every day to 700 letters. You can edit the one you created before, so you don't have to use up all of your words. Anyway, let's try this one. And let me just on my voice capture so you can hear it. Okay?
I'm Iron Man or Batman, but I'm also Siri. I've eaten a hamburger twice today.
Perfect. I hope you heard that. And I'm gonna mute it again so it won't feedback on my voice recording. Anyway, let me check my voice recording if it's still here. Perfect. Anyway, as you can see here, the AI used my voice to read on I am Iron Man or Batman, but I am also Siri. Now let's try editing it. So you can save on those words because it's only 500 words per day, I think. How about this one? The Filipino are very good at cooking. How about let's just remove this Filipinos grammatically error. Filipinos are very good at cooking. The lechon. Perfect. Submit. And as you can see earlier, we already edited this one and you already used up our letters. That's funny because before it doesn't use up our letters even if you edit. However, please take note right now that is uses up. Let's try again. I'm gonna edit this one. Take notes 85, right? For example, this one. Jollibee is the best restaurant for chicken. So that's 85. Okay then. So please take note, guys. Even if you edit it, it's gonna count those words. So please be aware of that because before it doesn't count as long as you said it. Anyway, let's try this out. I'm gonna on my voice capture again.
Jollibee is the best restaurant for chicken. Filipinos are very good at cooking lechon.
I hope you enjoyed that one. Okay, so from this one, as you can see, text to speech is literally text to speech. You input any text and then you convert them into your AI voice. Let me just double check my recording here. Perfect, still there. Anyway, let's move on to voice template. So as you remember earlier, right? My voice template function is still on queue for 800,000. That's a very long line. Oh my gosh. Anyway, moving here, just choose any rappers you want. Choosing one, WAP, back to back, 3 wishes, something like that. This is their song. For example, I'm gonna use Captain America here, and then I can click sync my AI voice. But as mentioned earlier, my voice to template function is still on queue for 800,000. Right? It's still a long way to go. Anyway, once you click on this one, they're gonna sync your voice to this song and just click on play. You're gonna hear your song singing this. I'm sorry, you're gonna hear your voice singing this song. It's actually a good one. For example, I think Doja is my favorite song here, with my voice synced. Also, as you can see here, upload. This is the one for creating a song, but still under construction. Again, guys, please take note before you can use anything here. You need to record your voice, and then after you record your voice, you can wait for your function to finish. They're gonna send you an email anyway. How about this one? Let's check my clone progress here. So I have two functions. Try our voice templates. It's still not working, I think. As you can see, it's still not working. Again, that's it. I think that's gotta be it. That's how you use MyVocal.AI and that AI. So let me just check here. I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.